Swan Lake is genius. But why exactly? How did Tchaikovsky's music change ballet forever? Let's find out. Ballet is an old art form. Its ancestor is the dance suite, a type of music designed for royal courts to dance to all night long. It was the 18th century version of a DJ set. Like modern DJs, composers had their tricks to creating the perfect mood. They discovered that two techniques never fail: contrast and familiarity. Contrast grabs our attention. Wow, it was in major, and now it's minor. It was slow, and now it's fast. Familiarity gives us comfort. We feel at home when we recognize the smell of our childhood town. It signals safety. The same happens with music. Our brain loves hearing melodies it already knows because it worked hard to memorize them, and now it can relax and enjoy. This is why many pieces in Swan Lake follow a three-part structure with a contrasting middle section. For example, the ballet begins with Prince Siegfried dancing with his friends. First it's cheerful, then a bit sad, and finally cheerful again. There is no deep meaning in these contrasts. It's just a form designed to entertain. When the Imperial Theatres commissioned Chikovsky to write this ballet, they gave him strict guidelines. Keep it simple so the music wouldn't overshadow the dancing. But Chikovsky didn't settle for background music. He created something revolutionary, music that tells a story on its own. The Aryan Adet has her own leitmotif. You all know it. It's played by the oboe, the saddest voice in the orchestra, according to Tchaikovsky. Supported by strings and a harp, the melody paints a picture of shimmering water or the magic that turns Adet into a swan. The theme feels simple, built on scale, clear and emotional. But, as always with Tchaikovsky, the harmony is far more complex. For over a minute, he denies us resolution, keeping us on tense, unresolved chords, and when the final resolution comes, it's breathtaking, a moment that sends chills down your spine. Chikovsky turned conventional ballet instructions into a breakthrough. His Swan Lake was the first ballet where the music became an independent masterpiece, not just an accessory to the dance. By the finale, the ballet transforms into a full-blown symphony. The three-part structure is gone, the dances fade, and the music becomes pure drama. Themes clash, overlap, and melt together like molten metal, and this is a symphonic development at its finest. In the end, the main theme wins, but it's changed. Now it's in major. What does it mean? Is everything okay? Or it's not? Let's dive deeper. At the beginning of the ballet, Adet is cursed by Rothbard. The only way to break the curse is through a vow of eternal love. But Rothbard tricks Prince Siegfried. At the ball, his daughter Adile appears disguised as Adet. Siegfried, enchanted, vows his love to Adile, unknowingly betraying Adet. Realizing his mistake, he runs to the lake. And here's where things get interesting. Swan Lake doesn't have a single, fixed ending. The story's conclusion depends on the choreographer. In some versions, the heroes die because of Siegfried's tragic error. The major theme feels like enlightenment and redemption, bringing tears of catharsis. In others, Siegfried and Adet defeat Rothbard. Their love destroys his magic and Adet becomes human again. Here the major theme celebrates love and goodness, leaving the audience in tears of joy and relief. I'd say Swan Lake ends with Chikovsky's victory over convention. He broke every rule and turned this set of dances into a deeply moving drama. His bravery and genius leave everyone leaving the theater profoundly touched. So thank you, Tchaikovsky, for your courage and artistry.